Hey, I want to talk to you about my backpack, my day pack. This is a very nice, lightweight day pack that I use when I go camping and do some light hiking. Now, they come in all kind of great colors. I chose this like navy royal blue. Now, this is a pack that you're just going to use during the day. It isn't a type of pack that is going to carry a sleeping bag and you're going to go do some all-terrain hiking in. That's a totally different type of pack. This is very lightweight, and I want to show you some of the features of it. So first off, starting in the back here, this is padded. That's going go right up against your back. And you also have this pack here. This is all lined, and you would put maybe say your valuables in here because it's up against your back. And so down here, you also have a waist belt. So you're going to put that on so it can help distribute the weight. In the front here, you have one pouch right here. Now this is a kind of a shorter pouch. You're going to put some basic items in there. Then you have another pouch right here that goes in deeper, and inside here are some more, little dividers that you could put things into. On the outside here, you have water bottle bags on both sides. And there is also another, oh, here it is, another device. Okay, so here, this is where you're going to put, so you would put this last big section that you're going to open up. You have a pouch over here as well as this area in here. And then the nice thing is, you have on here, you could put your phone and stuff on the inside, and then bring your earplugs out through here, or your charging cord as well. You could bring your charging cord through here. I think you do need to slice that to get them open. But this is a very nice pack. In the front here, you have the way to tether that tighter. You have additional straps on each side to carry whatever you may need. That goes on both sides. You have additional straps. And then I like the fact that even on the belt, even on this section, you still have more places to put things. They go right, like this is the belt. So then you could use this as, say, your money bag or something that you want to put in there that isn't as easily accessible, as well as another ear plug thing. Now that's going to go around. So let me just show you how. There is Velcro here to help keep this belt in place, and when you take it off, it's not going to go sliding out and come associated with your bag. It's always going to be attached. So you want to make sure you get that in there nice and level. That's going to go around, and that's going to help hold the weight of the backpack. So it's not, if you put a water bottle in there or something that is going to kind of go to the bottom, then you're not going to have all that weight tugging you back. It's going to distribute it much easier. Then these straps come across here to, again, help keep the weight distributed. Works well for me. You also have little tags here that you can put in a carabiner or anything to these, a cup or whatever you feel you want to put on here, hat maybe. So overall, this is a great, nice day pack that I use when I go hiking, and that's just my honest opinion.